Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, my dear students. Today, inshallah, we will talk about theme 2, unit 1. It's about musical drama, houses of musical drama. As you see in the picture now, in your books, in your course book pages 18 and 19, and in your workbook, pages 16 and 17, this is our lesson today. Let's start with the new vocabulary. And when I talk about the new vocabulary, we have some new vocabulary that you need to know and understand well. The first word here, the word dull. What do we mean by dull? We mean not interesting, not exciting. So the word dull means not exciting. If you feel dull of something, you don't like it. Okay, if for example life is dull, so you don't find something exciting in life. So dull means not exciting, not interesting. Couch potato. The word couch potato, the people who stay for long time watching TV, so these are called couch potato. Couch potato. Couch potato is a person who watches television for a long time. We call this couch potato. This is a nice photo about a couch potato. This person is a couch potato. He spends a lot of time watching TV, as you can see. Sources of inspiration. Of course, you know the word source. Source of water, source of electricity. Sources, which is in Arabic, is masadir. And inspiration, when you get a very nice idea, when you get imagination, something help you create. It's called inspiration. In Arabic, it's ilham. Okay, so sources of inspiration means masadir al-ilham. Things, places. This could be thing, could be a place, could be a person. So a person inspire you. For example, Ali Al-Habsi, as a goalkeeper, inspire many young men to be goalkeepers like him. So Al-Habsi is a source of inspiration for many youth. Inspire means encourage somebody or encourage someone to be confident, to be good, to create. This is inspire, yulhim. Pride. If you feel pride, you feel pleasure, you feel satisfaction. I am proud of my country. I am proud of my father. I am proud of my family. So pride, fakhr. The adjective is proud, proud of. If I am proud of somebody or proud of something, means I like it. I am satisfied. I am happy with my family. I am happy with my country. I am happy with my school. So this is pride. I am proud. Achieve. If you succeed in something, means you achieve. I achieved my goal and became a famous player. So this is achieve. Achieve a goal اللي هو يحقق ينجز. Fantastic. Of course, you know fantastic. Fantastic, wonderful, excellent. This is fantastic. Genius, very smart. Einstein is a genius. You know Einstein. Newton was a genius. He is very smart. He is very smart. Then we have the word fictional. Of course, fictional from imagination. We have this word fictional, khayali, not real. Okay. Classic, very old. When we talk about the word classic, classic means very old. Classic, very old. And classic also means something very good. When we talk about classic films, means good films, fantastic films. Okay. Courage, if you have a courage, courage means you are brave. Okay, courage, you are courageous. The adjective is courageous. So courageous is brave, شجاع, and courage is شجاعة, courage, شجاعة. Crew, crew of the ship or crew of a plane, crew, the crew, الطاقم. So crew is considered, is related to a ship, plane. We call this the crew, means the people who work on a ship or a plane. So this is our new vocabulary for this unit, unit 1. They are very important. The vocabulary are very important, the new vocab. So please, you should write them in your notebook. Write the vocab and the meaning, the word and its meaning. Let's move to the first page, page 18 in your course book. And if you look carefully, this is called Royal Opera House. This is Royal Opera House. And I asked you a question, where is Royal Opera House? Is it in Nizwa? Is it in Salalah? Is it in Muscat? If you go through this text now, I think you will know the answer that the Royal Opera House, it is in Muscat. It is very famous, it's very big, it is wonderful, it's fantastic. It refers to culture, ثقافة. There are many festivals and events there in the Royal Opera in Muscat. Here is a reading message. It's about Royal Opera House puts Oman on world stage. As you see in the picture, it's very big. It's very, very big. It's very big. It looks wonderful. You know, the lights, there are many lights. It's in the heart of Muscat. Okay, so we have this reading by arts correspondent, and correspondent is someone who works in journalism, صحفي المراسل, Ali Al-Nabhani. So Ali Al-Nabhani wrote this passage about, or article about Royal Opera House. If you read and take some notes about Royal Opera House, it's opened last night with a performance, Turandot by Giacomo Puccini, and some information about this musician or composer. And we have here questions, and I would like you to answer these questions after reading the message. You have to scan the text, to read the text quickly, and find the following information. A, the nationality of the composer of Turandot. What is the nationality of the composer? The composer is the one who writes music. The person who writes music is called composer. المؤلف أو الملحن. We call this composer. So we need to know the nationality of the composer. What's his nationality? Is he American, Spanish, French? What's his nationality? Question number B, the seating capacity of the Royal Opera House. How many seats? How many people can sit at Royal Opera House? The seating capacity. Capacity السعة للرويال Opera House. The country where Turandot is set. Where is Turandot set? D, the features of the Emperor's Palace in the second act. If we have a play اللي هي مسرحية. A play has some acts, فصول. So in the second act, what is the features of the emperor's palace? Emperor, like the emperor of Japan, Imperator. And of course, you know the palace. Palace is the place, is the house where sultan or where an emperor or king live. It's called a palace, قصر. E, the purpose of the small screen, the goal of the small screen. Why we have a small screen on the back of each seat? Why on the back of the seat there is a small screen? Why? So please scan the text and answer these questions in your exercise book. After you finish this activity, then you need to go to this second, or the activity number 3. You need to draw 2 columns in your exercise book. At the top of one column, write Royal Opera House, and at the top of the other, you need to write performance. So you need to make 2 columns like this. One, you write Royal Opera House, and the other column you write performance. Okay, and what's then? You will choose from this. In paragraph 1 is about the opera house. Paragraph 2 is about the performance. In Bears Decide, of course, you are going to do this by yourself, individually. Write the letters of the sentences in the appropriate column. So you will just decide, is this related to the opera house or related to the performance? You have 10 sentences. For example, it opened in October 2011. Is he talking about the opera house or talking about performance? Okay, so you need to just divide the sentences, to put the sentences in the correct or in the right column. Okay. Time to talk, it's a cancelled activity. This activity is cancelled. If you have time, you can just go through it and try to speak about it. Concerning the workbook, we have here some pictures of international places all over the world, and these places are for operas and concerts. Read the description underneath. We have here some descriptions, and we need to know what is the description about. Amazon Theater, Manos, Carnegie Hall, New York, Opera House, Sydney, and Royal Festival Hall in London. You need to read the description and decide where is of the 4 pictures, for these 4 pictures, where is the, for example, Amazon Theater? Which one of those is Amazon Theater? Which one of those is Royal Festival Hall in London? Okay, so you need to read and just decide on or write the name of the place here. Okay, you will meet some words here, like the word doom. Venue is a place. Concert is a musical like musical party. حفلة موسيقية. It's called a concert. Venue means place. Okay, and when I say dome, we said dome means, as you see from this place, dome, you can see a dome in some houses, you can see dome in mosques. So we call this, for example, we call this dome. This is the dome. Okay, so of course this is the Amazon theater. Okay, I did number one for you. I'll just go through some words. We have here this word, finance. Finance means to provide money. Finance, to provide money. اللي هو يمول. Okay. Go again with some words. So the Sydney Opera House is renowned symbol of Australia. Situated means it lies. Situated, تقع في Sydney. Harbour. Harbour means port. ميناء. Harbour or port. ميناء. Architect. Of course, you know architect. Architect. Do you remember architect? The engineer who design building, design the building is called architect. The Royal Festival Hall is one of London's dance. We know it was opened and host like Qatar will host the World Cup in 2022. Host. So all countries, all national teams will play World Cup in Qatar because Qatar will host the World Cup. يستضيف. Events means happenings. Event. Like World Cup is a great event. Gulf Cup is a great event. So حدث, happening. Renovation. Renovation means إحياء. نعيد إحياء. Renovation. And we have here a verb underwent. The verb is undergo. The verb is undergo. Undergo. This is the verb. Undergo. يخضع لي. Undergo. When I say the building underwent renovation means خضع لي إعادة تجديد from 2005 to 2007. Orchestra means the musicians. The musicians are called orchestra. Okay. You will have page 17 and it will be homework for you. The workbook page 17 is your homework for today. Thank you and see you inshallah in the next lesson inshallah. Thank you and goodbye.